What's up, y'all? What's up, everybody? Here back again with another unboxing and packaging from Just Saiyan. So this time around, little special add-on into it. So we got the package from Just Saiyan. While waiting for this package in the Just Saiyan Squad Facebook page, they have some people are always selling gear on there. So if you need to get a gear quicker than normal, some people sell them. Of course, it's used. Some are not because they ordered it. It's like, oh, this size is too small, so they reorder, or it's too large and they sell it. So if you want to get some Just Saiyan gear, you can always go check out that Facebook page. I'll link it down in the description, and you can get there. The guy there was Carlos. He was able to give me, not give me, but I bought gear off of him. He got it in time. Gear that I ordered actually came in first. I was like, his gear's coming. Let's just wait, add into the unboxing with it, and then add this little thing to it, right? So stay tuned for his gear. So this gear is mixed with what you want to call the striker gear. So we open the shit up the middle this time, and nice little packaging like always. We got 2, 3, 4 packages in one thing. Look at that, 4. So I don't know which one's which, so we're gonna open it up. So it's basically the Attack on Titan gear that I want to use for cosplaying mixed with the striker gear. So we got it all organized now. And we're going to go with the AOT gear first, since I'm not going to show that one off, as I'll wear that one to Comic-Con in April. That's here where I live. I'm going to go there. I won't wear that one there. I already have 2 other ones I'm going to wear. The Million and then Onyx Lemillion. I have some masks with them I want to wear. That might be pretty cool. So those are the 3 cosplays I'm going to be wearing on those back in April. So we're going to open up AOT first. So the AOT one is the one that came out pretty recently, maybe a few months back, not recently really, but it's the full-on gear that they first wear in season 1. So you see, they have the white, and you haven't seen, you've probably seen it, Tyler and Nadia wear these a lot. Nadia actually wore this as a cosplay as well with her whole freaking gear, all nice and amazing. It's pretty dope. I'll put a picture coming up on the screen showing her off with that. Like, it's pretty nice. But there's that. Those are the top. And I got the joggers. So I thought about leggings, but you know, the more anime-like, it's joggers. So the joggers not too bad. It's actually a lot of brown and more than white on the back side, anyways. White in the front, but on the back, got a little bit more brown and grays. But I like it. It's gonna be dope to wear. Next, so can't be complete without the jacket. So this jacket is, I want to say double XL. Yeah, double XL. I thought it might be better because I ordered the XL last time and it was a bit too tight, so I went double XL this time. So I got the jacket. This will be going with the full set. And then we got the hoodie, sleeveless, that can be used as the cape. That's the one that Tyler mentioned recommend doing. So I was like, why not use the whole Just Saiyan gear all in one, you know? Here it is. So basically, you just kind of like open it up, have that there. You have like some ties here. You have ties, right? So you just wrap this around like this, and then you could just like tie it. So it's like that. But of course, when you do it, you're gonna do a lot better than me tying it. But yeah, it's probably like interlocking, going like twice like that or something. See? And then you have that, and there you go. Like, of course, it's gonna be better than that. I'll show you once I get it cosplayed and so on. But yeah, it's basically like this. The only bad part is, like I said, it's kind of like pulling the string, so kind of sucky. But overall, you see how I have the hood, the back, little not so great, you could say, but oh well. I wanted one with all Just Saiyan gear, so if I don't want to use it, I don't want to use it later on. I could use it for sleeveless hoodie. You know I love sleeveless hoodies. Next, let's just go with Carlos's gear. So since we want to save the striker for the end, since it's the main attraction. So for Carlos one, he had the limitless Gojo gear on the thing. It's extra large, it was top selling, and then large bottoms. Large bottoms not the big deal for me. You know, I get extra large for both with the vent gear. But I saw this, hasn't been bought yet off of it, so I was like, why not? I've been wanting to get it anyways. Pretty decent, not so worn and tear, you could say, on it. It's pretty good. Don't know if that's how normally dark it is, but it's white. It's only dark with me anyways. Y'all know this. So I usually I haven't ordered in a while. So I was like, you know what? $60 for both shorts and top. Why not? And these are supposed to be, he said, I think the low cut, but they're largest. So basically, on me, it's high cut. But overall, I don't really care. High cut's still dope for me. I don't mind it. Shows my butt a little bit better. So pretty good. Limitless 6 eyes after seeing some of the new JJK. Been wanting to get some JJK here. But now to the main attraction. One of the top animes I want to say. I don't know if I think it was this year it came out. It's already December, man. It's insane. And yeah, so Blue Lock. If you haven't seen the anime, go check it out. I'm gonna try to see if I can watch the dub with my girlfriend since she hasn't seen it. And one of my favorite voice actor, Rico Farhada. I think I said it wrong. Farhada. I always mispronounce his last name. I have to like see it to pronounce it right. But yeah, basically he's the main character in there. And after seeing like a clip of his stuff, I'm like, oh, I need to check out the dub now. So hopefully my girlfriend will watch that one of these days. Anyways, so we're gonna open up the undergarments first. This is the top for the undergarment. As you see, Blue Lock, they always had like the training gear, which I call the undergarment, which is always like leggings and like a Under Armour top. Skin compression, skin tight, I guess you could say. I don't know, because compression I feel like is such vague now, because it's not as tight as before, you know. But I'm just gonna say Under Armour gear, you know, Under Armour. So basically, it's compression, I guess you could say it in its own way. But I'm used to like the other style compression. But yeah, here's the Blue Lock. Pretty. Oh, flip over. There we go. Look at that logo. Pretty nice, pretty snazzy. Next is this. So the leggings, always a large for me. Extra large, I think it's too big on my hips. So I always get a large. For the top, it's a double extra large now because remember I mentioned before, that's what I start going now because it's pretty. It gets super tight on me and I want it looser. So here's the leggings. Which is pretty nice. I always say pretty a lot, so yeah, bear with me. So I got that. Next is the jerseys. These are kind of new. I haven't seen how these feel. Ooh, it's like a mesh. I want to say this feels kind of like the button-ups. Not as much mesh in it, but like that softness of it. Pretty solid though. So I want to say this is the main character Isagi's jersey, which number 11 was was my freshman year number for basketball in high school. But yeah, I got it extra large there because I'm not familiar with how good that's going to be. I'm hoping they will come out with like Demon Slayer ones and stuff like that. I'm not sure if it'll be the same material as that. Hoping maybe not. I was hoping more kind of like those classic jersey ones, muscle tank tops you could say. But overall, this is like soccer gear. So these are the shorts. As you can see, it definitely has a lot of mesh in here compared to the Delta Event ones, which is basically like the encounter gear mixed with the vent panel, which is here, which this looks like it's the vent panel almost throughout. Kind of reminds me of the running shorts a little, but without having that liner in there. It's just built into the shorts instead of, I want to say built into the shorts, the other one's built into the shorts. It's the shorts itself, I guess you could say. But yeah, overall, got 2 pockets, got zippers on the side. But yeah, this would be solid. If you like basketball, soccer, any sport that involves using the jersey, those would be pretty solid. So the last one is Nagi, but I could be wrong. It's number 11 as well. It's not Boro. Let me look it up real quick so I can be a bit more correct. So it's called basketball jerseys on the website. So the first level is Nagi. So they're both for Nagi's home and away, I guess, right? The Baro one is white. That's why I didn't get it. No, Nagi. Why did I say home and away? Nagi is not the home and away. You dum-dum. Nagi is the guy that was like real not try hard person, you can say, if you haven't watched the anime. So they both wore number 11. I did not remember his number was 11. I just remember Isagi was 11. But yeah, both were 11, which is nice. Like I said, I order these. I just went by the names. I think I don't pay attention. Sometimes I just space out. Sometimes I pay attention. I'm like, oh, they're 11. Let's get them both for her. And then I forget. Like, I'm dumb like that. Anyways, so Nagi is the one that didn't try so hard at the beginning. But later on, you get to see how good he was without trying. And then, oh, how good he is when he does. Oi! Oi! But yeah, this is the same material, just in black. But I mean, basically, it could pass as a home and away jersey, you could say, right? But maybe not, because usually home and away is one white, one color. But yeah, so here we go. So the overall same thing, just in black. But I'm gonna try that on. I'm gonna wear the main character's one, Isagi's, and then we'll get back to that right now. Let's see where we are. Let's try to do a transition in 3, 2, 1. And we're back, y'all. As you can see, we have the full set on. Gear looks nice. Shorts do feel like they're a bit small, but that's just me. I'm used to when I play basketball and stuff, they're a little bit more above the knee. Okay, let's see. Let's move it down a bit. They're more above the knee, like right here most of the time, not this high up, which is cool. I mean, you want to use these for working out, right? So you want your quads to show. This is pretty much all mesh. Really nice feel. I'm not too sure how it will be on my skin contact by itself, but it is a nice feel mesh. It's definitely not like the football jerseys you wear in practice kind of mesh. But shorts wise, same material as the jersey. As you can see, I'm going to do a little rotation. So here's the back view, side view, front view, and back to the side view. I do like the little band thing there, the team. Yeah, I like this. We're going to take this off and show off just the undergarments, you could say. So, stripping on YouTube. But yeah, there we go. So, I do like how the joggers actually look. They have some pretty nice detail. As you can see, don't know if you can tell, but they do have a little nice to it. They do have a little design to it. I try to get a little close up of it on a breakdown video more. Need to start doing those. But overall, it's a pretty cool set. This is a pretty nice retraining, and if you actually like hardcore trainer, they like using leggings only and like top, like actually how they look in training, this is like pretty nice, pretty awesome. But I feel like it does show my arm pretty decent, especially my shoulders. But let's start with the back view again here, since I'm already here. Turn this way. And then back over here. Or did I skip the front? Went off with the front. Because I'm an idiot. And I don't know how to do things anymore. But, got the built-in abs. Look at that. Ooh, I got abs. Ooh. Anyways, y'all. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hopefully you might want to pick up some of the striker gear. If you're a huge Blue Lock fan and want to use this cosplay, I highly recommend using Just Saiyan gear. Just for the fact that really super comfortable. You don't have to worry about anything. The leggings and stuff is super, I guess I'll just use compressed on you. But overall, take care, y'all. Make sure you use the code, the big 3, whenever you check out with any other gear. If you get the striker gear, for sure use big 3. Anyways, y'all, take care. Peace. Much love. Mwah.